Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Heavens Above with what3words. Heavens Above is a great tool made for people who are into astronomy, where it can give you your live sky view and can predict satellite sightings at your current location. Heavens Above is available on your web browser as a web tool. They also have an Android app which you can download on your phone as well. Today I'll demonstrate how to use Heavens Above on your desktop. If you go to the right top of your screen where you can see location, and if you click on unspecified, that's where you can specify your location. Now you have the option to provide your GPS coordinates if you know it, or also you can scroll on the map to drop a pin on your current location as well. But you can also use the what3words field here to enter your 3-word address for a guaranteed accuracy as well. In my case, I'm going to enter filled count soap. And the map here is going to take me to my current location here in London. And once you click on the update button here at the bottom of the screen, Heavens Above will have saved your current location. And now if you go back to the home page and go to live sky view, that's where you can see how the sky looks at your current location. That's pretty much it, and see you in the next tutorial.